Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for diabetics, updated. Start by roasting 2 pounds of tomatoes and 1 onion until caramelized. Then blend with 2 cups low-sodium vegetable broth and a ½ cup plain Greek yogurt for creaminess without excess sugar. Season with basil, black pepper, and 1 teaspoon olive oil. Simmer gently for 10 minutes and taste, adjusting acidity with lemon juice. Start with high-quality ingredients and simple swaps that matter. Use low-sodium vegetable broth and fresh or no-sugar-added canned tomatoes to keep carbs predictable. Add a ½ cup of plain Greek yogurt for protein and creaminess instead of heavy cream. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of olive oil for healthy fats and fresh basil for flavor. Taste and adjust acidity with lemon, not sugar, for a cleaner profile. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are comfy after prepping and perfect for long cooking sessions. I link the product and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Roasting is essential for depth, so spread tomatoes and 1 onion on a sheet and roast at 425 degrees F until edges caramelize. Transfer to a blender with 2 cups low-sodium broth and blend until smooth. Return to the pot and stir in a ½ cup of Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon olive oil, then simmer for 10 minutes. Adjust with lemon juice and black pepper and serve in controlled portions to manage carbs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.